Dear students, today we will learn about sound of TH. TH gives two sounds, th and the. Th and the. TH. T says t, H says her. When we merge together T and H, they gives two sound, th and the. Sometimes we pronounce TH as the th and sometimes we pronounce TH as the. How? Let's see. TH th. Th is voiceless. Voiceless sound. Voiceless sound. And the is voiced sound. Voiced sound. Okay. First of all, we will take voiceless sound. TH, th, voiceless sound. For voiceless sound, there are three rules. First of all, the first rule is beginning of content words. Beginning of content words, we say th. We pronounce th. Noun, verb, adjective and adverbs. Noun, verbs, adverbs, adjectives. We pronounce th, like this is think, th, think. Next, thank, th. Thumb, th. Okay. The second rule of voiceless, middle of words. Middle of words. Before a consonant. The rule is before a consonant, we pronounce th. B-A-T-H-T-U-B. Before a consonant, if there is th, then we will pronounce as th. This is a consonant. Before t, there is th, so we will say th. Bath-tub. Bath-tub. Now, toothpaste. Why pronounce th as th? Because P is consonant and before P there is th, so we will say th. Toothpaste. Okay. The second rule. The third rule. It is very easy. End of all words. End of all words. Like this is word ending. There is th, so we will say path. We will say bath. Okay? But there is one word which is exceptional. Some says as th and some says as the, and the word is W W-I-T-H. This is exceptional. Sometimes we say with and we say with. Okay? These are these rules of voiceless sound, th, th. Now, th, the voiced sound, the first rule of this is beginning of function words. Function words like these, that, the, them, those, that. Okay? They don't mean any specific thing or actions. They don't mean any specific thing or action. Beginning of function words. Right here. Beginning of all function words. Function words. Function words are this, that, these, those. Okay? And the second rule of voiced sound is middle of words. Middle of words. Between two vowels. Write down. Between two vowels. Like there is, I have written mother. Mother. This is a vowel and this is a vowel, and between two vowels there is th, so we will say the. Madaram. We will not say th. We will pronounce as the. Mother. Okay? And the last, same end of word. Sorry. End of word. This is exceptional. I already told you. The word is with. With. Okay? These are rules of voice sound.